Hi, I just wanted to show you how to put all 30 values in without having to type each one. Okay, so I'm on the random number generator. I'm going to put in 1 and 854. I want to generate 30 numbers. I don't want to allow repeats, and I don't care about sorting. So if you click calculate, it gives you 30 randomly selected numbers between 1 and 854. I'm going to select them, right click and copy them. Now I'm going to go back to my copy of the spreadsheet on tab N equals 30. I'm going to select this tab, select the cell, in this white area somewhere. Don't go in column A or B where the calculations are, okay? And you're going to just paste what you just copied. Now you're going to stay in that same cell and you're going to say data, split text to columns. Detect automatically will probably work, but you really want to do space. So now I clicked space and it separated all those numbers into individual columns. Now I'm going to type I'm going to select, each one of those cells, go all the way to the end, you get all 30 of them. I'm going to right click and say copy. And then I'm going to go back to cell A4. I'm going to right click and I'm going to say paste special and transposed. And now that'll paste my numbers in a column. And if I scroll down, you can see the mean. I hope that